545.
26 for 4 expired.
1725.
No.
1725. 1726.
Copy LOI. 5621 South Florida Ave. Further. 10 Florida for 1 copy. Thank you. 1726.
Heading 10285 South Old Nogales Highway. PCSO called in for an MVA. They're on scene in front of this address. It was an 808-year.
I got with one in front of 5629 East Speedway. One 5 to control, 1023 lockups. Airport. Here's the responding to for hour
1727.
Extra fuel on panel read second floor in room 220A. Adam.
Info room 2208, Adam. 1728.
Can you get the run number and on 10
East Tanker Verde Road, 109/6.
My 1017 thought he was wearing denim, and they didn't actually see the 1050. They just saw them walking in the street near the car. 10-4.
Teacher 926. Owner's request. 1729.
704 76 1090.
704 1090 edible residence. 11156 11156 South Golden Aston Drive, 1729.
590.
990.
Can you give me a sign, 303 PIMA?
Did you want me to dispatch that?
You dispatch to somebody else that's going to be available, I think it's available.
There you go. Copy 810. Show you en route. Thank you.
21 in a second.
Ready.
Charlie, quick solid light on 871.
1730.
Dispatch CCA 15, back it up. Have a good rest of the day.
Copy, have a good night. 4-125-0069. For you copy?
10-4, thank you.
You're welcome, 1731.
Okay, for you. Performing the features is for him.
You mean I could call you a later on something?
10-4, thank you.
Hey, everyone.
Morgan 1230.
X-ray 2 for 30 UD garage.
Say it again. Okay, this will be the same subject.
Copy.
Straight you one on clear.
That works. One 5 8, I'll leave the week with 2 shots fired. 0158, shots fired at 4603 East Benton Highway. Unit for 1078.
156, 1060.
1017, male, last wearing of blue camo shirt over red shorts and boots. Fire a pistol in the air and seems 1056. And that's being with the subject. 34. Frequency. 1734. 0158. Copy this for one service.
Bring the subject to shoplifting. Any unit for the Walmart 3925 East Grand.
Vector was firing shots. Like they're restraining him. Where they here. 1735.
City, no medical need, no medical matter, only shows available.
Copy engineer 1, no medical need. PD matter only. Show you available.
Yeah, copy. If you figure out anybody is in a better location. 10-1 somebody disregard. 208.
4P51.
10A with one at 2500 South 6th Avenue. Yeah, United Market.
935. Oh, I'm sure. Well, I'm sorry. Can you say 9? I need for everyone. 1, I copy 1095 with 1. 723.
723. 1059 with one to the Better Canyon Trailhead.
Ready, quick?
J84. 50.
Information 239 South via Tierra Mesa. There's a female on the line that said, "Get out of here," and answered hello to the desk before it went 10-7. We did get subscriber information. There was negative history on the 21 or the 20. We also did get, it just came in, 1031 over, coming from next door, so it's possibly related, but the names are not matching right now.
I copy.
1737.
One road, 850.
850.
4.
4.
Ready?
638, what's the last street?
638, the last 3 is 175, 175.
4, thanks.
1738. 70% up. Copy Rescue 74 on that. Edge 74, Rescue 74. This is the same traffic accident from earlier. PC show still on scene. 54-year-old female is now complaining of neck and back pain. Nothing further. Texas Run and Quill Road and Texas Run. 1038.
What's cool? 695. Also, is there any residents in the home?
Hello, Jorge. Wait, where's the 011403?
2-1.
Thank you, Verde.
The Jorge Soldano has a 75 DOB.
Transport, can you try singing Junior?
What's the DOB that you're running?
11403.
2-1.
One Friday I'll be out to that 156 code 4. Did you find anyone?
No, they're telling us there's someone inside.
Otherwise, they just go for nobody here has heard anything or seen anything.
R730, if you haven't yet, divert to the 1070.
10-4, ready. Luz, talk to those people out there. See where they are. Make sure there's someone in here. I can barely see anything.
Copy for 3 now. Dispatcher for 0, transferring along code 2 to St. Joe's. Copy 8401, code 2, St. Joe's. 58.
1.3.
Fox 677241. East, where they? And it's 1022.
Seventeen 42.
Or any on this code 10 to East?
Cool.
1742.
Code 10 to South, 545. On East. And 1742. 1743.
Dispatch Smith 847, transporting 1, code 2, Benjamin.
Copy 471, code 2, Bearmean. Additional people for evacuation.
Yeah, we're working on that right now.
1743. 1743.
493.
Go ahead.
You just call it to 974. That's probably going to be that correct 1020. And can you see if we have an answer there?
10-4.
One nine three four.
1934.
I'll call for here. But is there a call for TFD? Probably on Valencia on Public Cruz for fire. See a good amount of white smoke from that area.
Yes, 11. 721, go ahead.
2771 South Cactus Ring Avenue. Also, shovel in 23.
10-4, Valencia and Public Cruz.
10-4, I'm not seeing when you think there's seen smoke in the area.
10-4.
I'll put a call, please, for them.
I got you. Thank you.
1745.
On Harrington, 3501.
Who's that?
Fire Battalion 1.
Battalion 1.
Can you give me an update? Obviously, we're supposed to get a call if they needed assistance on this, so can you tell me what you got?
We have an additional caller saying that they're seeing flames come from this building again.
Copy that. Let's go ahead and cancel all safety units and keep me on it. Battalion 4 was there just a little while ago, was giving me an update. If we need any resources, I'll call them.
Check out cancel all safety units to keep going, sir. Flames responding for 601 South 3rd Avenue for Battalion 1. All TFD units may cancel. Engine 141 and Battalion 1 will continue in.
Engine 1, copy.
Check.
Engine 1, copy.
Check.
Ladder 10 copies, cancellation, Warehouse.
Check letter 10.
Issue 1 copies.
Check you, sir.
Alpha 10 copies.
Check Alpha 10.
Utility 74, response code 2, Desert Pest, 3101 North Savino Canyon Road, 81 by 31. Copy.
Over. Medic 10 copies, cancellation.
Check. AC4 failing.
Fire AC4 copies, cancellation.
Check.
A lot of this is just TCS at 1025.
Anonymous, available to assist PCSO.
Definitely.
Your response from Battalion 1 continuing in. Battalion 1 canceled all TFD units for the time being.
Dispatch engine 73. That's what we have to take that snake off. Can you send it to us?
Copy, engine 73. I will go ahead and place you back on the call.
Also,
Affirmative.
hey, are you at the bottom over there, the east side of the ledge, in the event she runs down over there?
I'm right here where most of the exposures are at. Just a little east of there. C-29?
Before. Dispatch minutes, E6 back in quarters. Have a good night. Two others
Go ahead.
You can just sign me the AOA advice 176.
Perfect.
A white smoke showing.
Check engine 1 phone.
Just sign me the code 18. I'll be 10-6 on 21.
Air 410-4, code 18, 2431, 2431, North Amberwood Drive, 9950 East, Illustration 602, 1750.
Can you patch me in 539-8151 to this new caller? Forty-one from Battalion 1.
Battalion 1's gone.
Go ahead, Battalion 1. I'm guessing it's just a residual, so you guys are good.
That's affirmative. People will be calling in all night also, so as long as it's just white smoke, we're going to investigate it and probably go back and service shortly.
Copy.
Copy.
Dispatch engine 7-4.
Engine 7-4, go ahead.
Correct times. Just show rescue 7-4 on scene with the engine. PCSO matter only. The victim is declining needle treatment. She just wanted some insurance paperwork. Both units are both returning.
Dispatch copies. One 58, copy of 260. One ocean 31. One ocean 31. We're not to that traffic hazard. And you make it, yeah. Can you check with other districts and see if they have a couple of bodies we can borrow? We're going to need to block off at least one street. And any unit that can clear that can come and help.
158, 161, SADs.
10-4.
How many cars do you need?
10-4. 7053. Oh, 153. Go ahead. How many cars and bodies of SAVs did you need? 2 cars, 2 bodies, please. 10-4.
Straight.
638.
Sorry, if you could update that line to 10255 South Starlight Avenue.
10-4. 7-4.
Excuse me, just
I'm going to be Highland 16-011-6.
4.
7085.
Engine 7-4 now.
Copy, so. Stand up.
Marina 547, did you have traffic?
Negative. Accidental.
1755.
Zero 153. It doesn't look like we have a force commander on right now. Tempo, thank you. 7256.
Is that for available? He's 37-4, we're responding to that snake call in 730 area.
Copy. I'll go ahead and swap you.
Scrum 727 North Article.
7-4.
1756.
Hit 82, that's affirmative. Please advise.
82 counties will do, thank you.
Is 8151?
Yeah, 10-4.
Thank you, reporter. Respond code 2, breathing problem 5761, South Park Ave, 13657.
Two shows in that.
Copy, and for now.
Dispatchman at 842.
842, go ahead.
Dispatchman at 842. We are clearing off with a new shop number when you're ready.
842, go ahead with your new shop.
New shop number is 00424.
Copy, new shop 00424. I'll get that changed. Thank you.
We've got being advised that a male is hitting a female in the parking lot. It's going to be a Hispanic male in a white shirt. Female is going to also be in a white shirt. No further description. T7 copy. 7088.
Here's the snake. That way, Jay.
Copy, 73, still returning.
Go towards that 1050.
156, 1050 at 5252, 5252 South Mission Road. In front of 0%38. 701. 701, 10-4, the motorcycle versus an SUV. The motorcycle driver is standing up and he is limping. My apologies, can you share some that Joe's approximately 6 minutes ago? Copy 40, arrived 6 minutes ago. I will change that time. Utility 74, go ahead.
Can you give me the address of the Snake and Santa Cruz area? My MPT is not working.
Copy, utility 74. It is going to be 8410 East Surrey Trail.
East Street Trail, copy, thank you. No, 617.
17?
Might be a dumb question. Any chance you APD can't want to take you on that?
Yes,
72?
Self-dispatch to event 949. I'll take 84.
Any unit for 841563 East 36th Street.
Well, Lincoln 7, I'll go with them.
4.
Copy, thank you. Dispatch is 869. We're using first, like, capital post.
69, that's affirmative. Is that going to be post 4 or post TFD Station 5 that you're going to?
269. We will be going to post 4.
Happy, I'll show you en route.
69 copy. 45. Thank you.
This is 617. I'm able to run a KQ right now, but per U of A PD, they advised the 1027 was revoked for a failure to appear.
Yeah, for thanks, checking.
803?
Kilo 30.
Copy, Caesar.
Yeah, touch me the A1.
882, you're responding to a 2 overdose 3994 South Evergreen Ave, 1 number 32. 739-926 for 23. 739-1804.
Cool. Two SAVs. You start rounding them up.
10 more.
Radio Victor 53 is available from 103.
Is available from 103.
Thank you both. You didn't even give me a chance to ask for help. Send me a text.
You can cancel CMT on my call.
Copy. you can disregard that dispatch and resume that code 7.
Got it, thanks.
It's 848, respond code 2, overdose, 3994 South Evergreen Ave, 109 by 32.
Good, 7-2.
So, detail said.
1806.
Go ahead.
Can I take an 84, please?
And before you go into the 20 in the call text?
For 1401 East Gateway Road, Unit 5.
Unit 384 for 1976.
7-1 after me around from the desk ones.
10-4.
Ten 14-3, Unit 84-3, Adam 7-3 at 3248 East Edison.
Got it. You got any more unit?
Negative 680, it's going to give me a 115 right now. We'll take care of it from there. 6-3 will stay on scene.
Say V1. 0 Tom 6752.
I'm just gonna write.
Ebony structure fire. The address is 2771 West Quail. That is Quail Road. We need 2 marked units.
Hey, I have 2 people for you already. I was away from my pen and paper, so I'm listening, and I will get you who I have in just, you have 5-3 and 9. Victor, 5-3 and Victor 9. And one more on standby.
10-4, thank you. If you can start at 926 for the VW. It'll just be for storage. Could you repeat, please?
We're requesting you to assist with the missing person.
So, we're on south, 26 missing person.
I'm 23.
Hi, 901810.
Not by me. So does it. Go.
You can 1042 respond to 5157. As you can, if you go over to B2, Chief Buildings help.
10-4.
1810? My 24? My apologies. We could have St. Mary's about 10 minutes ago. We are available for returning. Copy available returning.
10-4.
1811.
Utility 7417.
Copy utility 7416. Hey, no, Papa, go ahead.
Business. Alpha 2, Alpha 9. Echo. Golf links, deviation.
Ten four and 0156 8212. And 590, it's going to be 00911.
10-4, thank you.
1812.
Two Adam 68.
2 Adam 68.
Can you copy special duty?
Go ahead.
PR 101162. I'll be at 8455 East Golf Links until 2100.
You can 13.
X-ray 2-1 clear.
1813. Again, 7. And 7. Can you start for the level 2 site at Broadway and Euclid?
Adam from the wrong person, please.
10-4, there's no weapons involved. They're sitting up on the corner by the Del Taco. I don't think it's 2 males, and one of them fell onto Broadway, but there's no description at this time.
Switching north for a call.
District 33, myself, and District 46 in the area. We can start off with that.
10-4.
4-5.
545.
76 Little Valley Substation on the 500 McGee.
1850.
District 30, I'll be in after that. From 2772 Lincoln 7. You guys can go for it. District 3,
2 Lincoln 7 copy.
Yeah, 10-8.
From Mission Road.
Yeah, so 544.
All right.
1816.
1816.
10-4.
3, Adam 3. 1816.
District 30, you'll be rolling 23.
Copy.
Okay, notas ahorita. Susun where the high dispatch.
Copy, sorry, Papa.
Good work.
1817.
I've sent a pin from Google Maps to all three of you. Please let me know if you don't get it.
You. Fine. I copy. Thank you.
1817.
Get back.
Go for it again.
Sir.
724, engine 3502, I'll be with the rest of Mr. Freeze.
Copy.
Confirm, you've got this AB14 from Tucson 6.
Negative. Is it not there?
I just assumed you had it. Oh, okay, that's going to make a shorter trip for me. I'll pick up 14 from Tucson Estates.
But I'm going to grab 14 from Tucson Estates so I can have it for tomorrow.
Oh, cancel that, then I'll go to 103 as I originally said.
Ten four.
An additional trip, same location.
Sure.
18.
Dispatch message 894 transferring 1 roll banner south.
Copy 9-4, transporting Banner South. 9841, you're responding code 2, unconscious 2900 East Milburn Street, 108 by 32.
Copy, escort off.
Copy.
Thank you.
Over.
So you can send it to me.
That's 617 1820.
614 today.
That's 614 1820. Resident 77 response code 21563 East 36th Street, 108 Dispatch for Renegade 52. Yeah, Renegade 52. Renegade 52 is back in the valley, switching. Copy. 1829. A2 South Dispatch 2 then 786. For it, the level of the sheriff, I tried third party low and still reporting a female on the road late. Any units that can clear. I'm not gonna make sure you can divert me. Unit 34. I'm going from the jail. 2-4. Can be Hispanic. Person, it looks like the description gives us a Hispanic male, 70s to 80s, unknown clothing. I'll get clarification from the vet. I'm gonna make sure I copy. 1822. 172 278.
We go for
1822. Opportunity 9.
You can divert me to 8057, you'll go for
7 copy. 5-7 copy. 1822. And 111, 2. It's gonna be a female. They said she's on a wheelchair. 111, 2. Copy. 1823.
situation 4.
25 rescue follow-up, 432, 432, South Stone Bench Road, 1823. X-ray 2, clear Ocean 6101.
Sister 43, I'm going to 1 out of Illinois. So, 014, also show me a route to the rescue follow.
1104, 1824.
That's 877.
Go ahead.
I got 21. I got 4 north.
Go ahead.
That's Emil, or Edward Adam Lincoln, versus the one David Adam, William Adam, Union Noah, date of birth 10/5/01, black male. 210, code 4.
1825.
I'm gonna survey, I check Hawk all the way east. Hey, 530, come help me. 10-4, 530, 432, 10-4, Illinois. For sure. Good.
Chemical Sciences, 1305 East 4th, it's exterior, first floor, lobby 100, Edward 1, northeast entry door.
411, 23, executed.
Sure. 40 copy, you can disagree.
The copy, thank you.
1825.
Five-year-old male was actively seizing. Onset 2 minutes ago, had 4 seizures in a row. Confirmed breathing. You're going to have paramedic 1092 responding, 1826.
Engine 180 copies. Could you please add rescue 182 to this call?
1826.
34 for 373 at 3248 East Edison. How far is that way? For your lieutenant.
Rescue 182 and paramedic 292 for a seizure at 432, 432 South Stone Bench Road. Watering from the eyes, 5-year-old male, not actively seizing. Foaming from the mouth, not responding. Confirmed breathing. Eyes are moving. History of seizures. 1827.
From Tucson Estates in SAV 1414.
Return on him from Illinois. I do see a protection order from Illinois though. Copy for 1, cancel and route.
I think the female half just returned home. You've been cleared. We're going to get another switching dispatch.
1828.
Got it, fire. Good night. We're cleared. We'll be in service returning to the hospital.
And then they don't know where she went from Hawk.
Sure.
They stated that she likes to hide.
Sure. You get anything specific, like where she's been picked up in the past, or desert, or houses, or whatever, just let me know.
Sorry.
Valley Fire Engine 424 is clear.
1829. That is 877 dispatch.
Go ahead, man.
For the caller, they said to go to door 6. Who's going to let you in?
Copy, door 6. Dispatch terminate 855 is traffic.
855 for what?
1185 North Broken Hills Drive. Code 219. Still now stable. Yeah, you can shut down code 2.
So Broken Hill Drive. Alright.
Are you there?
Okay, meds to mission in San Juan in reference to a 1050. 40-year-old male is complaining of neck and shoulder pain. Alert, conscious, safe to move in.
But where I'm standing, her foot traffic goes straight north. North.
She wearing shorts or like long pants?
10-4 shorts.
Five injured 155.
Very hobby.
Unknown medical problem. 115 1185 North Broken Hills Drive. Proceedings holder on scene with an unaged male requesting transport. 1831.
23.
125 1832. Code Park. Code Park.
340. You go west to that first parcel on the north side of the street. It's 950. There was a little one that had shorts in a bag. I couldn't get much further. Went up underneath the awning. You're talking about Hawk, correct? Patrol car going westbound. Yeah, hang a right there. Yeah, so the one that stopped in front of the drive. East 950 West Hawk. Go in there.
Nice. 37, go for it.
Actually, we've got that level 2 unknown trouble that just came in. Do you want that? It's an unknown trouble. It's a child caller, but we don't have a good 20, and they're plotting 2,277 meters from the 20. Did you want this one to go off before the fight physical?
Negative, we can simplify first.
10-4. 84-4 Adam 87 at 1800 South Montana.
Calling me.
Good.
And 1 5 control of the.
Charles, that's it. Different.
Since then, it has, the caller has recontacted the desk. They're going to be in unit 2042, and they advise that they don't feel safe leaving the unit because now they're arguing over who should apologize in the group.
87, copy.
1835.
Level 2 traffic hazard at 1227 South Mission Road, Tucson 83484.
Stop, pushing back.
Advising that there's a female jumping in front of the vehicle. She's going to be a Hispanic or Native American female, orange sleeveless sweatshirt. Looks like she's on the east side in the median. Just north of this 20. Vista 109 by 20.
Yeah.
Copy for 5.5.
So 5-3, additional advisory for highway.
Yeah, 153 on it.
For the southbound lane, the sign that indicates Thai Grill is ahead will need to be replaced, and both posts will also need to be replaced.
Where was open? The line went 10-7 while they were trying to get clarification. For not 23, I'm gonna reread the call just to make sure I'm reading it correctly.
Yep.
Yeah. I reread the call. It looks like the caller received a phone call from the girlfriend who was at the house who found the door open. The line went 10-7 and the boyfriend was unable to reach the girlfriend.
Copy.
37.
Sure, 14.
Dispatch 877, how are you able to contact CBI and the way outside of door 6?
Affirmative.
CV1.
SAV1.
1023. Yeah, SAV1 is 1023.
Just 7, just your remade entry.
Copy.
3. Copy another site. Going Oregon 46H3. Denver. Me too. No, me too. Go ahead. Just advising, we're getting an additional level 2 traffic hazard reference to same female at Valencia in Campbell.
See. Item 76, you can send it. All first.
Sure.
Health 1-4.
Do you have any additional units that are willing to come out and help?
Our 10100 was making an ERT call about 20 minutes ago. I can check with him.
Okay, thank you.
refusing medical, canceled by 5.
EP has negative K9 for sniffing right now. Search and sniff.
I'm sorry, was that Border Patrol?
10-4.
2-4, thank you.
Thank you, 3-1. Take straight to Lexi.
Easy 41.
Copy it for turn route. 59 radio.
Radio, go ahead.
Could you tell me your unit number, please?
SAP 15.
Thank you.
Swan and East Calle del Pantera, the guardrail on the southwest corner, and the posts need to be replaced.
Okay, fine. Number 701. Was she able to get to the 1050? Yeah, that's all cleared up. We're on that 10 section separated right now. 240, you need 78? Yeah, we're close for now if you want to go help clear something else up. Copy.
Clear to attempt to take that correction. You're clear for pumps and out of service. It's the service piece at Sunset and Irvington and Sunset, 1060 of 1843. Traffic going on, Res 843. You're clear for that code 7. Please advise as soon as you get there.
Seven three nine 153.
Go ahead, sir.
Before I clear, you got pictures of the Toyota, right?
Yes, sir.
Denver, thank you.
Please.
A large knife or machete. Suntrans bus stop southeast corner in front of the student housing at this time. There's no victims.
2004 copy. Here's a
Here's not up.
10-4. I think that's almost up people. 040.
I can start with 774.
Received. Okay. 739, 59, my vehicle. I'll be clearing shortly. I'm Jamie. This is
Charlie Fire 850. Is this code 3 or code 2 response? Victor 9 and Victor 53. I said 81. I think you're going to be coming up Irvington towards Cardinal, then turn right on Quail.
Victor 53 copies.
432-530-161. If you could start at Purple Finch and Hawkway, work northbound on Purple Finch, try to gain access to the properties, clear each of the properties to the north, and notate which ones have been cleared, please. Thank you.
Go ahead.
I need contact with the property owner at the following.
Go ahead.
26551 South Purple Finch. Sick person.
Copy 50, responding code 3, 6% 687 West Ashridge Drive, 189 by 26.
Married to Vanish House.
Yes.
K55, go ahead. So we're going to be delayed on scene. This might be a PD matter only. We'll advise. Copy 855. Possible PD matter only, delayed on scene. Are you feeling can you copy your first point?
One, go ahead. At the bookstore, Polo 9 East University. It's the cash room south door.
10-4 wrong.
849.
Sound to do.
10-0.
Go to one, you can assign the 1092-739. I'll be time. 283, purple.
1850.
253, taking event 655.
Copy 877. One abandonment. 778, step to station 1064, otherwise.
Enemy 6, can I go for?
Course for continue.
1851.
Valley Fire, 850 is on scene.
1052.
153, so dispatching 2 984.
Level 31031 at 30 West 25th Street. The component of her boyfriend has editor.
10-4.
Oh, that is 71484.
44th and out.
1852.
Last of Martinez, Mary Adam Robert, Tom Ida, Nora Edward Zebra. First of Gabriella, Georgia Boy, Robert Ida Edward, Lincoln Edward. 101189, Hispanic female.
And then the DOB.
10/11/1989.
Second.
Last of Boy Union, Robert David Edward, Tom Edward. First of Richard, 10/12/1980, Hispanic male.
Okay, so one available.
Yes, sir. 047.
847, go ahead.
Dispatch Smith 847. You can show us available. Are we clear to return to post 1 for a partial crew change?
847, I'll show you available. That's affirmative. You can go post 1 for partial.
SCV-1, Victor 9 is at Quail and Hildreth. Would you like me to take the deputy's position?
10-4, take the position of that guy that, who's got that car right there.
Yes, sir, 30, I'm out of traffic now.
Copy that. 55.
You don't into there, just walk away. But say clearance out there.
4. Renegade 7. TMC immediate, go code 3 your discretion. Yep.
It'd be good if you could go all the way up to Cardinal off of Irvington, and then come at the scene from the west to the east.
Copy.
Wait, are we going down eastbound?
That's good one.
10-4.
Reference Gabriella, I'm not getting any returns on her. Reference Richard.
7060, 911, open line.
911 wireless, open line within 14 meters of 566, 556, 65 East River Road. Copy, rescue 71, transporting one patient, code 2, Banner South.
And the vehicle is a dark gray Nissan.
Tucson 830.
Negative.
Not a language barrier, and they are where you're coming.
Copy, thank you.
Transport, looks like they are.
Copy that. You can group it in.
Transport.
Great. Can you tell me?
212 has a one-way traffic frontage road in Prince.
Show me 1076 in the check over.
Please don't have triple fair lane 250 lanes 250 west of Pond Street. HPD.
Please. Calling me.
Probably today.
Can you sign for me someone, please?
90129.
Sure, 21 clear, ocean 5506.
Tower.
Right, JT, not public.
Victor 53.
Go ahead. 1023.
Filter design.
Go ahead.
That's the last rate case, please.
Absolutely, last 3090090.
What?
Again.
Sorry, we're just taking pictures of the footprints. 5-3, Jeff. So I noticed that the gate to the property is north of you. Did you walk south first and then north?
Negative. She was in the southeast corner of the property, jumped the fence, and from there walked north on Purple Finch to Hawkway and lost her on pavement.
Okay. Was you favoring the east side or the west side of Finch?
She stayed on the west side of Purple Finch all the way to Hawk.
Hunter.
Park 61. Park 61. 1041 regular 61. We're using Park 61, 106 at code 103.
Nine two zero eight. Correction 9201.
Holy fire, paramedic 855. Transporting one patient, almost traffic, being yourself.
Well, the conditions of release disappeared. Man, that's useless. So what do we do now? No, it's not the videos. The conditions of release.
At least let George know what's going on here. So that she can tell. See you.
Okay.
No, I kind of know.
You got forms to handwrite the stuff.
She said for me to send an email to IT.
But the only thing they just blank forms, just with nothing on it.
Okay, do we have any blank forms that we have an number we can fill out? Actually, calling Mario, I should go answer him. Okay. She sent an email to IT.
There are no blank.
No points.
My mom doesn't even know.
Huh?
Huh?
My mom doesn't even know where So where the files are where? They just have it all on top of the counter. That's fine. No, that's not their, how do I even get them on board? I don't know if you- Yeah, there's a bunch of stamps and stuff though. Okay. So try to get the laptop and do it there. So do I give the judge the laptop?
That's what I would want.
Let me try the laptop for Henry and see if that works. Where did those parts go? Is it like the big one or is it filing up there? Try the little. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Beneath the paper, I just see box. All I see is like box, like that means. Hold on. It's one of the $2. I think I found
Yeah, yeah. So we run out. So, yeah, so we don't run out.
Yeah. She handed me one of them things right now.
Well, no, we were like, conditions of release and not to start court and it all just went down. Oh, wait, it's coming back up. Judge, can you try it on conditions of release?
I just tried it, it's up. Yeah.
Okay.
Now I just got to get this Teams going again.
All
right, we're back in business.
Hello,
Hello,
what's your name?
Miss Attorney White.
So you've been charged with a class 3 misdemeanor assault. In order that you not have contact with the alleged victim. And I'm gonna set a $250 bond. Appoint Attorney Douglas Taylor to represent you. You're gonna be seen on Monday at 1 o'clock, PIMA County Justice Court on video. You're excused. There we go. Hello, what's your name? Unmute, please. Gail needs to unmute. There you go. What's your name? I didn't catch that. What's this lady's name?
Kristen Bardet.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Barday, you have an arrest warrant out of PIMA County Justice Court on a drug paraphernalia charge. You are being held on Tucson City Court matters. $250 bond, and you're going to be seen on this Justice Court matter on Monday at 1 p.m. on video. Then you have a bunch of cases in Tucson City Court. The latest one is assault, no injury, trespassing, and possession of drug paraphernalia. The others are in warrant status. You've already been seen on those. $250 bond on the new charge. No alcohol or illegal drugs. Don't go back. Don't have any contact with any of the alleged victims. Don't go back to any of the alleged locations. City public defender is appointed to represent you. And you're going to be seen on a non-transport review, May 22nd, 2 o'clock. Yeah. Oh, yeah. She gave her bond. We'll give her video. Okay, but she's being held on. Okay, video review then is May 9th at 1:45.
It's very weird.
Seems to change from night to night. Anyway. You're excused, ma'am. Hello, what's your name?
Simon Anthony Lytle.
Lytle? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, let me take care of this one. This guy's not supposed to. Keep skipping. This last well. And then we've got Lytle. For Lytle, you're charged with domestic violence, disorderly conduct, and domestic violence, assault, no injury. I'm going to order no contact with Jonas Lytle. Don't commit any acts of domestic violence. Do not return to other Mr. Lytle's residence or workplace. And you're going to be released on this matter, and your court date at PIMA County Justice Court is June 3rd at 10:30. You're excused.
What's this?
Hello, what's your name?
Yolanda Rosas.
Spell your last name.
Rosas, ROSAS.
Got it, thank you.
You're welcome.
You're charged with domestic violence, assault with injury, no order, no act of domestic violence. Do not have contact of any kind with Jennifer Galvant. Went to stay away from her home and workplace. You do get a one-time return visit to pick up any belongings that you have there. It's got to be with a police escort, though. I am releasing you from custody with these conditions. Your court date at PIMA County Justice Court is June 3rd at 10:30. That should be June 3rd, 10:30. You're excused.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Uh-oh. That doesn't look good.
Oh, I did. Yeah. I know I went to the restroom in the wrong place one night. Okay.
What's your name, sir?
James Eldred. I had told you to arrest him in that place.
Okay, hold on, sir. We're not ready for you. This one we can do since this is city, but let's try the county conditions again. Nope, it didn't come back up. You were charged with relieving yourself in public and you got a failure to appear. I'm gonna release you. Your court date at Tucson City Court is June 4th, 2 o'clock.
Okay.
Go back to the location. No alcohol or illegal drugs.
Okay. Is there any way I can get my daughters, or do you remember going through here? And like those, if they're my daughters. Okay. All right. That's all I had. I'm back to your mom, but
Jones. Hello.
Let's try that again.
Richard.
Hello, what's your name?
Derek Jones.
Okay. Mr. Jones, you were charged with trespassing. And this is from today. You were charged with trespassing. I think this says April 11th. And March 28th, you're charged with trespassing and failure to comply with a court order. And then we've got several files that you've already been seen on, also involving trespassing. All right, don't go back to location, no contact with victim. Bond is set in the amount of $200, and the city public defender is appointed to represent you. Video review is May 10th, 1:45, Tucson City Court. You're excused.
Just like,
Okay.
yeah. Your Honor, just confirm Derek Jones, that's a $200 bond.
That is correct.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Nope, not coming back. Yet.
No, is yours up? The conditions of release that went down again.
Oh, here it is. Let's try it again. Unhandled exception has occurred in your application. If you click continue, the application will ignore this error. Okay, so let's click continue. Let's try it.
Judge, I'm on the phone with NTA. I'm trying to see what they can do.
Hello, what's your name, sir?
Can't
Can't hear you, you're muted.
What's your name?
What's your name?
Aaron X. Okay.
Okay, we're having technical difficulties. We'll try to get you out of there as soon as we can.
Yes, sir.
Out of that chair, I mean.
Thank you.
I believe the conditions release is the Justice Court computer.
This one, yeah.
That one is a Justice Court computer.
The one that the city has that's not working anymore. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's do it while we can. All right, Mr. Ash, you were charged with weapons misconduct, prohibited possessor, and with discharging a firearm within the city limits in order that you not possess any firearms or other weapons, also no alcohol or illegal drugs. The county attorney is asking for a $20,000 bond, and we'll hear from defense counsel.
Your Honor, he lived in Tucson for 5 years and has ties to the community. He has a daughter that he cares for part-time. Right now, he's connected with behavioral health through Kodak, and he reports that he's done well on conditions of release before. Pretrial Services is recommending release, and I ask that you follow the recommendation.
All right. Apparently, he shot someone, so I am not going to follow that recommendation. I am going to hold you, sir, on a $20,000 bond, and I'm adding that you have no contact with the alleged victim. Your court date is May 14th at 1:30, and the public defender is appointed to represent you. You're excused.
Yes, sir. Bert.
Hello, what's your name?
Hey, how you doing? My name is Roland Burke.
Mr. Burke, you have a couple matters. Let's see here. You're charged with weapons misconduct, prohibited possessor, and misconduct involving weapons, prohibited weapon. You're going to order no firearms or other weapons, no alcohol or drugs. And county attorney is asking me to hold you on a $10,000 bond. We'll hear from defense counsel.
Your Honor, he's currently employed. I believe that some of the state's concern here is that he doesn't have ties to Arizona, but he is able to come back here for court. Pretrial Services is recommending release, and I ask you to follow the recommendation.
Okay, let's hear from the state.
Thank you, Judge. The state is requesting that $10,000 bond based on the nature of the offense involving firearms.
Okay. I'm going to set bond in the amount of $5,000, and your next court date is May 14th at 1:30. Public defender appointed. You also have a city court misdemeanor domestic violence matter. I'm going to order on that one that you have no contact of any kind with Lila Souza. Stay away from her home and workplace. No firearms or other weapons. Don't commit any acts of domestic violence. No alcohol or illegal drugs. Once you are released, you are permitted to a one-time return visit to the residence to get your personal belongings, but only with a police escort. Bond in the city court matter is set at $2,499, and we're going to set a video review for you at city court and that will be May 15th at 1:30. City Public Defender appointed. Okay, you're excused.
All right, thank you, sir. Rob? Bert? Go out that door downstairs.
Hello, what's your name?
Mario Corral.
Okay. Hmm. Wait a minute, what? Oh, I didn't. This was court date has not been set. This would be June 3rd. Okay, so what else? And, oh, yes.
I don't know what my progress here.
All right, you're charged with domestic violence, aggravated assault, impeding airway, and with domestic violence kidnapping. County attorney is asking for a $50,000 bond. At a minimum, I'm going to order no alcohol or illegal drugs, no acts of domestic violence, and no firearms or other weapons. You are not to have contact of any kind with the with Zaina Garza or the child who was present, and you are not to return to her residence or workplace. And if you have belongings there, you get a one-time only return visit with a police escort to get your stuff. We'll hear from the public defender as to the state's requested $50,000 bond.
Your Honor, he has no prior felony convictions. He's a lifelong resident of Tucson with ties to the community. Pretrial Services was able to verify that he does have housing available with his mother. Pretrial Services recommends release. If the court is not inclined to follow that recommendation, I ask that the bond be $5,000.
All right. Considering, oh, actually, there were two children. Okay. Considering the level of violence that I saw listed in the police report and the fact that there were children available and the other factors such as potential lethality, I'm going to follow the state's recommendation. $50,000. Your court date is May 14th at 1:30, and the public defender is appointed. You're excused.
Gentlemen.
Hello, what's your name?
Stephanie David.
Okay. You're charged with possession of narcotic drug and possession of drug paraphernalia. No order, no alcohol or drugs. Do not return the location of the alleged incident. I am going to release you the supervision of pretrial services with enhanced supervision, and we're also going to schedule you into Smart Court. Smart Court is May 13th at 9 o'clock. Preliminary hearing is May 24th at 1:30. Public defender appointed. You're excused.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello, what's your name?
Gregory Otter.
Okay. You've got an arrest warrant out of Pima County Superior Court on a charge of unlawful use of means of transportation and burglary in the third degree. This warrant lists a $5,000 bond. And that's what the state's recommending. We'll hear from defense counsel.
Your Honor, he's a lifelong resident of Tucson with ties to the community. Pretrial Services was able to verify that he does have housing available with his mother. And on this burglary warrant, he has not been previously arrested. The charge is also unlawful use of means of transportation, being a passenger in a stolen car, not stealing one. I'd ask that the court set the bond on that at $1,000.
Okay. We'll hear from the county attorney.
Thank you, Your Honor. The state's recommending a $5,000 bond. The defendant has 2 prior convictions and has a pending conviction out of a separate county. One of those prior convictions is a violent prior. So given his young age, the state is concerned about the criminal history and would request the bond amount on the warrant.
All right, thank you. I'm going to set bond in the amount of $5,000. May 10th, 1:30 is your court date. Public defender appointed. You're excused. And no contact with victims. Stay away from the incident location. And no firearms or other weapons. Hello, what's your name?
Samantha Kaiser.
I'm not able to open this. Somebody else has it open. Already opened by D. Della Rosa. It keeps giving me the same answer. Well, this one I can open. You've got an arrest warrant on a DUI and suspended license case in Pima County Justice Court. You're represented by Attorney Joe Buchan. I am going to release you with a court date of May 20th at 9:30 on that misdemeanor warrant, Pima County Justice Court. Now we've got the felony matter up. So you're charged with possession of a narcotic drug, possession of dangerous drug, and possession of paraphernalia. I'm going to order no alcohol or illegal drugs. Don't go back to the location of the alleged incident. Pretrial services supervision release, enhanced supervision, and smart court. Smart court is May 13th, 9 o'clock. Preliminary hearing May 24th at 1:30. Public defender appointed. You're excused.
Thank you.
Hello, what's your name?
Hi, sir. Jason Masterson.
Mr. Masterson, you're charged with possession of narcotic drug, possession of drug paraphernalia, no alcohol or drugs. Don't go back to the location. Release to supervision of pretrial services. Cooperate with them. Smart court. That's May 13th, 9 o'clock. Preliminary hearing. It's supposed to be May 24th at 1:30. You've also got a get to it. Got a drug paraphernalia citation in Tucson City Court from today. And then you've got some older charges, DV assault, DV disorderly paraphernalia. Those are in warrant status. I am going to release you on those matters. Don't go back to location. No alcohol or illegal drugs. Court dated Tucson City Court is June 5th, 10 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
All right, you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Hello, what's your name?
Jared Sokowitz.
Hey, so you're charged with possession of narcotic drug for sale, possession of dangerous drug, misconduct involving weapons, possession of drug paraphernalia, prohibited possessor, misconduct with weapons. So, alcohol or drugs, no firearms or other weapons, don't go back to location. And you are released to the supervision of pretrial services with a court date of May 24th at 1:30. You'll be represented by the county public defender. You're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
The PD.
Okay, that's it. We made it through.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good night.
You're all excused. Bye.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good one.
Let's see. Where are you? There.